Join us this week as we stay at a free camp by the river. Take a drive up into the mountains to visit some stunning lakes. And we also celebrate our youngest boy, Finley's first birthday.
Happy birthday to Finley. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip.
Hooray!
Lennox is cool. I saved ya. I saved it, nearly got you. Lennox, do you think Dad's cool?
Yeah.
Yes.
What did you say? Yeah. Is Mum cool?
Yeah.
Yay. Is Lennox cool?
Yeah.
Is Finny cool?
No.
Alright, the boys are in the car. I have packed a lunch for us. And yeah, we're ready to go this morning. You ready, Finny?
No.
Are you ready?
It's Ellie.
News Ellie's ready. Are you ready, big fella?
Yeah, but I'm not even sure where we're going because this is your little baby, this one. Do you know where we're going?
Not gonna lie, I have no idea. I'll sit in the car now and I'll re-find the place and I'll put it in the nav van. But I will let you know.
So we haven't even made it out the free camp yet, and Finny's laid a nugget. Do you even know where we're going now?
Yeah. Lake Eacham? Crater Lake National Park. I don't know. It looks nice though.
But we're just going. All right. The old ears are starting to pop.
So we're just at Heels, is it Healy's or Heels Lookout? And the Gillian Range.
Lennox is going to put a sticker with all the other stickers.
Ooh. Let's see if we know anyone. Oh, this looks familiar. Look, caravan and 3 kids.
Alright, Lennox, you've put it upside down, mate. Oh no, you put it upside down. We might have to have a second take. Take 2, Lennox.
Do you want to do it or Mummy do it?
Mummy do it. Is it the right way up, Mum?
Yeah.
Oh, perfect placement.
Woohoo!
So, little detour, we saw scones and hot chockies and all that sort of thing. This is what, like Barron or Barron? Yeah.
It looks beautiful.
You get the lake, and then this is where you get your scones. So we're having morning tea, aren't we? And if the boys are good, you might be able to get a hot chockie.
Yeah?
Yeah. We're a sucker for some scones, especially fresh cream. Ooh. Is that the kids area, Lennox?
Yeah.
This is us?
Oh, what did you get, Lennox?
Yeah.
What is it?
Baby angel.
Is it nice, Midnight?
Vinny's loving it. In front of that, look at that. Well, that is the tea house at Lake Barron or Barron, whatever, however you pronounce it. And now we're going to another lake, so let's get in the car.
Yep.
We're off.
So this is Lake Eacham. This lake is a volcanic crater formed by superheating of groundwater. It's pretty cool. The crater has since filled with water, forming a lake 65 metres deep. We had lunch on the banks of the lake, whilst Finny fed some of the wildlife before we headed for a swim. Ready? Are you going to jump in?
Going in first, you?
No,
Me?
You go down.
I was going to go in first.
Go, big fella.
okay.
Oh. Is the croc gonna get me, Lennox?
No.
Ready?
Yeah. Ready.
So this is the national park, isn't it beautiful? Like Blue Lake. I don't know, Nick did get the drone up, so hopefully it's good footage for you. But yeah, this is a must, like it's so nice. Do you like this place?
Yeah. I'm pretty sure I just got bit on the on the foot by a little fish.
Yeah, the little boy said that.
Oh, did he? Yeah, it's like a little electric shock, and I looked down, there's all these little fish around my ankles biting me.
Probably
Little buggers.
dead skin or...
Yeah, there'd be a lot of that. Oh, doll. I've got a little trick I want to do too.
Do you want to show everyone or?
Yeah. Ready?
That was pretty cool, Dad. Was that cool, Dad?
Yep.
Lex, do you want to do it? I reckon Mum should do it.
God.
Although she's a bit cheeky, she might get stuck. Know what I'm saying? Come on, Big Mama. Your turn.
Oh, no.
Yeah, do it. Have a bit of go about it.
Don't feel
Come
safe
on.
doing this.
Go on, you got to commit. Commit.
But my bum cheeks are getting stuck.
You got to. Bit too cheeky. Oh, please. That's embarrassing.
I'll just get in gracefully.
Oh dear God.
How embarrassing.
Lennox, is Mum embarrassing?
Yeah. So we're going to leave now because the kids have just cracked it. They're ready for a sleep. But this place is awesome. Loved it. So glad we made the effort to come out here. So it does have picnic tables, barbecues, and just heaps of room to just sit and relax. Heaps of people bring their sups, kayaks and all that. So yeah, this is a must, guys. I'm really glad we made the effort. Anyway, head on back and yeah, head to CAIRNS tomorrow. And I might do a cooking segment this week. Maybe. We'll see how we go. Anyway, we'll see you back at the van. Alright, so we made it to CAIRNS. Woohoo! And we're just at a caravan park this time. So it's the day before Finny's birthday and I've decided I'm going to do a bit of cooking.
Elenyas Gourmet cooking.
So first we're going to attempt cookie dough.
It's another packet mix. Packet, we love a packet mix, Lennox.
Anyway, so there is no oven here and I didn't realise.
And we don't have an oven.
So yeah, we don't have an oven in the van. So we're improvising and using the camp oven. So if you want to know if you can burn pre-made basically cookies in a camp oven, I'm about to show you.
And you're doing a cake, aren't you?
Yeah, but that's later.
That's for Finny. And
for Finny,
we've had to tie Finny up again.
Yeah, he's tied to the van here because he has just honestly non-stop. You just can't sit down, can't keep up with him. So we just had to.
He's just too much.
All right, let's get into Elenyas cooking segment. So first, it says preheat fan forced oven to 160 degrees. It'll be what it is, don't know. Slice the ring closure and peel back wrapper.
Mom.
And then for medium-sized cookies, Lennox, you slice down on the chub
Yeah.
about 1 centimetre apart using 30 grams of dough.
Yeah, Mom. Yeah.
Cook for 8 to 10 minutes for soft.
That's a big chub. You want a soft chub?
We want a soft chub.
Alright.
Nick! Yeah, that, you can have that if you're going to copy Dad.
It always tastes better raw, doesn't it, Lennox?
There we go.
Do you like doing pre-packed stuff?
Why? You should just be happy that I'm attempting to cook.
I am, mate. There's nothing wrong with pre-packed stuff. So what do? You chop it like that, you chop the chubby up like that,
Yeah.
you put it in here.
No. I'm just going to put it on the trivet in the camp oven.
You're going to put it on the trivet? Won't it go through the holes?
No, because it's not like liquid.
Alright.
Like this.
And then you're going to put it in camp oven in the trivet. And then that's it. How many minutes does it go on for? Holy.
8 to 10 minutes. Did you not listen to me before?
They're ovals.
Oh, God, they look awful.
Have you done this before?
No, I have not.
You can tell. What's happened here?
You were right. They're not doing so well.
Look at that. You don't like listening to me, do you?
It's not that I don't listen. I don't know what to do. What do you reckon?
I don't know. Are they cooked or? Maybe scrape them all into one biscuit and put it in the tray. How do you stuff up our packet mix?
Quite easily, obviously.
How'd we go?
I don't know.
How's the cookie brownie?
She's a bit soft. She's soft, but like it feels like it's cooked.
You've still got a cake to go.
After this performance, I don't know how the cake will go for my son's first birthday.
Do you want to
Why
explain
did you bring the GoPro?
what's in that bag? Come on, show everyone what's in the bag.
Doll.
You were supposed to be making a cake. Oh. And why'd you get that?
Because the cookies didn't go as planned. And I didn't know how the cake was going to turn out.
Oh. Yeah, well, you gotta make it your own, you gotta decorate it. Oi! Stop complaining.
What did you put in the basket?
Some M&Ms.
Good boy!
Get him, Minnie, get him!
Go, Minnie!
Minnie!
Minnie Moo! You got some presents?
You're 1 year old, you get a present. Back off, Sanchez. You got a phone, mate.
Hello, my friend. I'm so glad you called. Let's talk and pretend.
So,
Bubbles.
that is the present. That's what he's getting this year. But we thought on the road, instead of toys, presents and all that sort of thing that you normally do at home and have room for, we're not going to do that this year. We're actually going to do an experience for him, aren't we?
Yeah. Yep. And well, we're going to do that with everyone's birthdays, I think. Just do experiences and stuff that we can remember and probably tick off our bucket list.
Alright, we better feed the birthday boy. What would you like? You can have wheat bix, porridge, bacon and eggs. Do you want bacon and eggs? No. So, after an early wake by the birthday boy, we are out and about, and where are we going?
We're going to Hartley's Crocodile Farm or Park or whatever it is with a couple of screaming kids, and we're going to feed you to a Crocodilics. Yeah, look, tell everyone that if you don't be a good boy you get fed to crocs. Yeah.
Anyway, so we're off there now and see how we go.
See what happens, yeah.
Good boy.
Snake showing off. And the reason why we chose to come to the zoo is because Finny loves animals.
As you can see. There's Big Boy.
Very lucky boy crocodiles in here as well, right?
So next next, when you come in, you get allocated a time for the boat cruise where you go round on a boat. So we're 12:30, so we're just waiting for that.
But currently, we've got... Oh, that's little boy right there. Where he is right now. Oh, there he is. He's right
There's another
there.
one there, right behind him.
Just underneath the surface. India is a ball.
Look at him.
The rest can. That's another girl sitting down here. And then
Wow. Lennox. Where is it now? What's he doing?
Vinny, what's he doing?
Benny.
Make it hard on him, Vinny.
So Lennox has kindly said that he'd help Mummy make the cake for Finny, haven't you? So what do we put on here? Cream? No, we put, what are you licking? Jam. Ooh. Okay, ready?
You do it.
Okay, press this on. Good job. Or do you want to hold it and Mummy press? Then we put this on top. We need icing.
The concentration on it.
You won't believe it, but we're having a disaster. It's all coming out.
How do you stuff up a bought cake?
Good. Oh, good job.
How'd you go?
As you can see, I did a great job.
Bit of bandage cream around the edge there.
Number one.
Even the
Mum.
cream's starting to come off.
Oh, Nick. Well, that's because you're taking too long to do things.
Finny won't mind. Look.
Do you like it? Oh no, now buddy.
Oh, there's going to be wax everywhere.
Oh God, what a disaster. Sorry, Finn. Your mum's not a cook. Baker. Not a cook or a baker.
Finny's knees.
Ready?
Oh, ready? Happy birthday to Finny. Happy birthday to Finny. Happy birthday to Finny. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hooray! Alright, Minnie, blow it out.
Blow, Minnie. Yay, no touching. No touching. Bro's helping you.
You got a lot of girlfriends, Minnie.
Yay!
Now, if you want to see Finny smash a bit of cake, we're going to time lapse this and see how it goes. I think it'll go alright. Here we go, Finny. How quick can you do it?
Oh, Minnie.
How's that going, Finny?